Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are going to see what is in this box. I know what's in this box because I ordered it. This is my last of the orchids until 2024, and these are from the Orchid Supply Store, which is a sponsor of our channel. And if you'd like to get a 12% discount off of orchids, orchid supplies, regular house plant materials or house plants, go to the orchidsupplystore.com, use coupon code TRISH at checkout, and hook yourself up. Free shipping, guys. So let's see what we got. Like I said, I know what it is, what they are. So there's our first one. Just got home from work and thought I'd dig on in here and see what we got. So this is the Epilalia Volcano Queen. Let's see. I did not leave. That's all right. We'll get in here without it. I hope everybody's doing well. I am sitting on a chair leaning over. This is sitting on a stool. So if it looks a little awkward, that's probably why. But I think I might have to go get my box cutter, guys. Let me grab that. So make it a lot easier here. It's just right here behind me. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a beautiful week. It is Wednesday, the 29th of November. You guys will probably see this on Friday, December the 1st. And depending on if I have the time to get this all edited and posted, which probably won't do a lot of editing on it, to be honest with you guys. And if you noticed a little light flash, one of my grow lights have turned off. I have them on timers now for just, some of them are on for 10 hours a day and some of them are on for 12, but I have minimized the amount of time the lights are on the orchid. I thought I was going to be able to get in here and I can't. And when I'm done, I'm going to take the camera off of the tripod and show you guys the development of the no ID Vanda that I got from Ken. I believe it was in May of 2023, so this year, that had come in spike, but we had a little cold snap that was not forecasted that killed the spike. Come on. It's like me trying to get into a Christmas present that I've wrapped. I'm one of those, I like to use a lot of tape, guys. I use a lot of tape. All right, so it is in bark, and all my jiggling, I've probably knocked it a little loose out of there, so I'll fix it afterward. Take it out and reposition it and fix the bark. There we go. But let me get the tags out of here. So this is what we have, the ETT Volcano Trick Volcano Queen. Beautiful orange red flowers. Had one in my early journey of orchid growing, and well, that was back before, you know, I knew what I was doing. Not saying I know what I'm doing now, but that was before I knew, at least had a clue of what I was doing. And I quickly sent it with the orchid fairies. But here's what she looks like right now. So a little bit of probably cold damage because it is a little cool here in Colorado, but I took the chance anyway. And I'm sure if I would have asked Ken to hold it till spring, he would have. But I don't want to take up any room in his greenhouse. And quite frankly, guys, I just wanted it. I'm just going to set it up here on the stool. Oh, look, while we're here, my Phalaenopsis G Fancy Red, one of my birthday orchids. That spike is continuing. Can you see her peeking out right there? She should be popping out shortly. And Tess, if you're watching this, how is yours doing? Did yours come in bloom? I forgot to ask. Let me know. And then, haha, this is one that I have been looking for quite some time and have wanted for a while. This is actually the first Vanda that I wanted to buy, just never could find it. But this is the Pachara Delight, the one that just about everyone has. It's that purple blue orchid Vanda. There we go. Oh, yay. We have beautiful root tips, so I can go ahead and put her in a pot. Do you see those root tips? Gorgeous. Lots of new root with new roots growing. And I'll probably just cut all of this off so I can get her in the pot because she does have lots of new growths coming in. But let me get the tag out here without damaging any of these beautiful roots. Oh yeah, I cannot wait to see her in bloom. Oh my goodness. I'll post the pictures from the website to show you what these girls look like in bloom. But there is the tag for that. So the Vanda, I hope I'm saying that right, Pachara Delight, Pachara. But ooh, I can't wait to see those bluish purple. I think they're more purple, but I think they call it a blue orchid, but I think it's more on the purple side. Oh, just can't wait to see that. Probably a year or so off of that. But oh my goodness, look how beautiful she looks. She's got a nice leaf growing here. Like I said, lots of new root growth, so I can get her into a pot because I have found I kind of like growing them that way. And let me get my sheet out here. And just so you guys know, I don't just receive promotional products from Ken. I also purchase from him. So these were purchased. I did use my code TRISH to get my 12% off. So if I can use it, you can too. Now, I was going to take you guys off, but let me just move some things out of the way, and I will just show you real quick because they're right over here in this corner where we currently are residing. I'll just take her out of the pot instead of bringing out the whole pot. But maybe, oh, she's stuck up under that shelf. There we go. So that beautiful root, let me take my little stick with my little butterfly on there out. But this root is growing, and I do have that moss right there. Every morning I'll spritz it so that it has a little bit of moisture. I'm trying to train it to go down. I don't know how well that's working for me, but look at the bud. We should see that in another week or so. And I think it's just going to be the one flower on this spike, but that's okay. At least we can look at her and identify her, right? She also has a new leaf growing right here, I just noticed. And I don't see any active roots inside the pot as far as, you know, on the outside that we can see. But isn't she just gorgeous? And this is the spike that she came with that got the little cold damage on there. Let me know what you think of my new additions. And let me know if you have the Pachara and are you as pleased with it as I expect to be? Like, is the flower worth the hype? That's what I really want to know. And if you have the Volcano Queen, again, is the color of that flower worth the hype? I will see you guys next time.